How to crop a video in TikTok in 2022 from your mobile device or your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually crop a video in TikTok from your phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So basically what we want to do is first of all simply make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. Now in case you're not using the latest version of TikTok, you could go ahead and simply update it from your app store. Once you've actually updated, I'm going to simply open TikTok, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're actually logged into your account. So I'm going to simply check whether I'm logged into my account or not, and I'm going to simply log into my account right over here. Now after you log in, let us assume that I want to upload and crop a certain video in TikTok. I'm going to simply tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen, and then I'm going to select a video from my device. So let me go ahead and simply select a video by tapping on this upload button at the bottom right. So I'm going to simply tap on upload, and then I'm going to select a certain video right over here. So basically I'm going to simply select a video. So let me just go ahead and choose a video, and then I tap on next, and then basically let's say that I want to trim this video and crop it as well. So what we can do to actually crop it, so I'm going to show you. Let the video upload process be complete, and let's say that this is a particular video which I want to crop to a certain point. What I could basically do is, if you look at the right hand side of the screen, you could basically see that the trim option is currently grayed out, and we are not being able to actually trim this video. So how do we actually trim it from TikTok? Now I also tried uploading the 3-minute or the 4-minute or 5 minutes video as well as 23-second video, but then it is not working. You can see the trim option is grayed out. But first of all, if you want to learn how to fix this trim option grayed out, you can watch our other video. In this video I'm going to simply show you an alternative way on what you can do if this trim option is grayed out. What we are going to do is we're going to exit from the TikTok app, because most likely it is the bug from the TikTok app itself, so we will have to simply wait for an update. So what we can do is I'm going to simply open any of the video editor applications. You could open CapCut. I have got two, one is CapCut and one is InShot. So I'm going to basically open InShot right over here, and here I'm going to tap on video, and then I'm going to select new, and then I'm going to simply select the video which I want to crop and upload it to TikTok. So let's say this 23-second video right over here, and I want to crop it to 15 seconds. So I'm going to tap on it, and then tap on this check button at the bottom right. And then here you can basically see at the bottom this media which I want to crop. You want to tap on it once. As you tap on it, you will be able to see the slider, and if you want to actually trim it, you want to simply drag the slider to the point until when you actually want to trim it. Let's say I want to trim it down to 15 seconds. You could also see the mark right over there. So basically let's say this is the video which I have trimmed. Now if you actually want to crop and trim somewhere in from between, what you could basically do is go to a point where you want to trim, and then you could simply press on split, and then you could also come this side and then press on split, and if you wanted to delete this middle portion, you could tap on it, and then you could go ahead and tap on the delete button right over here. And you can see you could also trim the middle portion, but then I'm going to simply undo that one, and let's say this is basically the point where I have actually trimmed it as well. After your video is ready and after you have trimmed it, on the top right tap on the save button. Again tap on save, and then export this video, and from here we are going to directly upload it to TikTok. So let this export process be complete in the first place. So you can see our export has been processed. Now if you want, you can exit this and go to your TikTok app and go ahead and select this video, but we do already have the TikTok app option right over here. So I'm going to simply select TikTok, and it is basically going to ask me to upload to my TikTok app. So you can see this video is actually already trimmed, and we don't have to trim it from the TikTok app itself. So this is basically the alternative solution if your trim option is currently grayed out, because there's nothing we can do about it. It is not up to us, it is up to the TikTok app itself. It is a problem from their side. We have tried all the fixes on our fixed video, so you could also go ahead and check that out if any of that works for you. This is the way to trim a video on TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.